What grade are you in?
I'm in 10th grade.
What is your favorite subject?
I like math.
Do you like your teacher?
Yes, she's very nice.
What time does your school start?
It starts at 7 a.m.
How do you get to school?
I go by bicycle.
Do you have a lot of homework?
Yes, quite a lot.
Do you work after school?
No, I don't.
What do you want to be in the future?
I want to be an engineer.
Do you like your job?
Yes, it's interesting.
What do you do at work?
I write reports and attend meetings.
Who is your favorite colleague?
My colleague Lynn.
What time do you finish work?
At 5:30 p.m.
Do you eat lunch at school/work?
Yes, in the canteen.
Do you have many classmates?
Yes, about 40.
Do you get along with your boss?
Yes, my boss is friendly.
What do you dislike about school?
Too much homework.
Do you join any clubs?
Yes, I'm in the English club.
Do you take exams often?
Yes, every semester.
How do you prepare for exams?
I study with my friends.
Do you enjoy studying?
Yes, most of the time.